where we use it. In last classes, what is AI? Yes.
Artificial intelligence.
Excellent. Okay, where we use AI? We have our brain. Okay, yani we can take the decisions. But the robots or the motors, what we create, they cannot take their decisions. What the programming we are giving or we are doing, only just they can do this. They follow our instructions. Okay, so now let's start. You find the robot. Okay, like there is one restaurant piano. There is a robot. He will take your order. He will bring the plates, spoon, everything. Okay. Like in the COVID days, if anyone visited Haram, there was the robot who was serving the Zamzam to everyone. Okay. So very soon you will see most of the places. You will find the robot. Okay, so now how they create the robot, how they make the programming, and how they have the live. Okay, all the things we will learn. But the most important thing is the coding, because if you will concentrate, you can know. Otherwise, you will forget everything. Okay, we have different types of kids. Yani for the high school, we have different kids. Or the elementary and middle, we have different years.
Yes, sir.
See, for now, what the coding we are doing, if you made wrong, the program will not work. Yani the robot or the software whatever you created, it will not work. Yeah. Maybe some of the students will finish this early and they will come on Python. So through Python also we will see how the code works. Yes? Okay, let's go. Boys, last time we made the groups. So for each group, there should be a laptop. Okay, because there is a software for this coding. Yeah, you should be one laptop in one group, and also the mobiles, because we will use the cable or we will use the Bluetooth. From Bluetooth means we can move a long distance, but through the cable we cannot move. It will move till the cable will go. Yeah. This is all the part of the robotics. That is pipe what the thing we are going to use. Okay. So there are very small parts. So now see, this is the hub. This is hub. What is hub? Bluetooth sharing code. Yes. Okay.
The hub was number one.
يلا كذا.
Hold it down for 5 seconds to power off. Turn it on. Number 4. Right button for program navigation.
Exactly. So you can see now there are different types of buttons what we use for different purpose. Yani 2 buttons, left and right, we use for the speed. There is the navigation button. You can connect with the Bluetooth. Okay, so there is the Bluetooth button also. Yani when you press this one, you will find this hub on